you are actually setting up the bar, you have to remember yung functionality, okay? But in this case, I have just arranged them as neatly as possible with considerations of all the relative ingredients that they have, okay? Iba-iba yan yung sa ating concept, as I have explained to you last time, na set up the bar, basic area is different from the display area. So sa display area, kung ano yung binibigay ng inyong shelves, yun ang susundin ninyo. Halimbawa, small bottles, bigger shelves, bigger bottles. So meron siyang what you call as parameter din. Pero kung gusto sa working area, ang pinaka-concept niya is yung pair o yung pinaka-gagamit nyo in specific case, which I explained to you last time also when we are doing our recorded videos. Okay, now we're going to be moving here. So, inalis ko siya into white to the color. Okay? So, ito yung gin. So, ito yung gin, it's actually from grains. Cachaça, which is actually from Brazil also. It's actually from grapes also. So, that is iba din yung Biscanos. So, that's actually part of our lecture also. Then we have Bacardi, then we have Captain Morgan. So, the difference between the two is the brand and also the flavor. So, yung Captain Morgan is more caramel and spice, the other one is more on the age. Yeah? White Castle is, we have talked about yung whiskey at saka yung whiskey. Yeah? Whiskey as in meron siyang EY outside of the Scotland. In this case, ito ay supposed to be made in Scotland, okay, but 69. Canadian Club, again, it's a rye, okay. It is actually made in Canada. Yeah? So we have Jack Daniels, which is actually termed as bourbon, okay. It doesn't come from the grains or rye, but it comes from sour mash. So magkaiba yan yung discussion natin on whiskey, okay, as yung bourbon, as yung Kentucky Straight, at saka yung Tennessee whiskey. So, magkaiba siya. Yeah, as in terms of the, what you call the ingredients is actually present in the bottle. Then we have Carlos Primero. So, yung sinasabi natin na paggawa ng brandy outside ng Cognac region. And of course, nandun din yung process that is called Solera. So, yung from top to bottom. Okay, so yung pinaka-older vintage will actually be in the bottom. So, papababa siya. Yeah? It's actually on your module also. Then we have Drum Dewey. So it's actually from Scotland. So it's actually made flavor with honey and scotch, yeah? And other herbs and spices. Then we have the Dom Benedictine. Actually, explain ko na rin sa inyo ito, yung DOM. It is a Latin word as Deo Optimum Maximum. So to God, most great, most high. So again, it is a cognac base. Followed by some other herbs and spices. So, again, kung makikita ninyo, nandun lagi yung influence ng monk as in terms of the winemaking and the fermenting as the plants. Again, we have the other one, which is actually the Cointreau. Yeah? Indian Cointreau, yeah, it's Cointreau. Yeah? It is an ODB that's actually coming from grapes, pero ang flavor niya ay orange. Yeah? Marami tayong flavor ng orange, just to begin with. There is what you call as Grand Marnier, which is actually a cognac base, okay? Cognac base siya, pero orange din siya. Yeah? So magkaiba yung ODB nila, o yung water of life nila. Also, we have what you call as yung triple sec, orange curacao, yeah, blue curacao. So these are all orange in flavor. Ang pagkakaiba lang yan, these are coming from a different variety of oranges. Yeah? What makes the color of the liquor, yeah? Yung katulad yung blue curacao. Bakit pa naging kulay blue? This is actually from the pigmentation of the skin. Yung alcohol kasi, pag dinapot sa skin ng kanyang particular na orange, ang mangyayari yan ay mag-bleed ng kulay blue. Yeah? Para sa litmus paper, yeah? So, acid at saka base, yeah, so yung makikita nyo. Then we go on our Galliano. Okay, unusual bottle, it's the tallest bottle that you have in the bar. Actually, ang Galliano is actually a tribute of the wife to the soldier husband. So, it is a combination of yung honey, anisette, okay, o yung star anise, yeah, and other herbs and spices also. Pero ang kanyang, ang ODBT niya is grapes. So it's actually, ang basic spirit niya is grapes, pero ang kanyang other flavor ay, yun nga, meron siyang star anise, meron siyang honey, meron siyang other meats and other spices also. So again, walang pinagkaibayan sa grappa. Yeah? Grappa is a brandy also that comes from Italy. Yeah? Pero yan, yung grappa kasi is neutral ang flavor niya. Now we have the tequila rosé. Yeah? So in the beginning, tequila is actually no flavor at all. Kaya lang siyempre, nag-i-evolve tayo. So aside from the Baileys that we have as milk, nag-adaptation sila nito ng milk, but on that particular milk, nagkaroon sila ng flavor. So yung flavored na milk may strawberry. Bukod din yung cherry. Yeah? So magkakaiba yan naman. So this one is tequila rose as cream. Yeah? As strawberry. Yung isa naman na plastic, cherry yun. So magkaiba siya ng foods. Although, halos magkakareho ang density nito. Yeah? Pag pinur nyo siya, halos magkakareho siya ng density. Ang magkaiba lang nila is yung flavor. Yeah? Milk din siya, pero isa ay cherry, yung isa naman is strawberry. Now, on this, okay, it is a Jägermeister. So, sinabi ko na sa inyo yung sabihin nito, Handmaster in German language. Karaniwan, it is banned in the 1900 because of the prohibitions. Ang main ingredient nito na natin ay opium. So, tinwist nila yan, yung kanilang ingredient as to become more compliant with the regulations ng Economic Union. So, again, from the earliest, beginning ng kanilang liquor productions, including absinthe. Yung absinthe kasi heroin naman siya. So, ito naman is opium. Binago nila yung kanilang ingredients as to comply with the standard of their productions, as compliant with the law. So, again, it is a combination of may mint, yeah, meron matamis siya, para siyang cup syrup. So again, it's a secret ingredient they need for hundreds of years. Then we have Frangelico. Okay, Frangelico is also a ODB nito is grapes. Yeah, o yung kanyang basic ingredient is grapes. Pero okay, nakalagay doon na is Archer Schnapps. Karaniwan ang schnapps, okay, is a flavored liquor. Yeah, para siyang brandy lang siya. Hindi ko lang siya Russia. So this is actually from Russia. So again, peach flavor, yeah, schnapps. Schnapps are low in alcohol, high in sugar content. So approximately between 35% alcohol per volume. Yeah? So ibig sabihin mga 72. Yeah? So tinuro ko din sa inyo yung fruit. Yeah? Then you have salted copper. Okay? Karaniwan, okay, pag sinabi niyo it is a bourbon. Totoo yan, bourbon ito eh. Yeah? Pero ang flavor niya ay peach flavor. Yeah? And other yung spirit. Yeah? As ingredient. Anyway, for the next one will be the Assis. Okay? So, para siyang grape. Yeah? So, Assis. Masyado marami yung prutas niya. But anyway, it's part of the cocktail that is called, ang halos niya, equivalent niya ay Chambord. Yung parang bote niya ay parang koholo ng reyna ng England. Cassis, and then we have Amaretto. Again, yung makikita niyo rito ng mga spirits, yan yung mga generic. Yan yung mamumurahin na type of brand that carries their name. Ang Cassis kasi, ang original niyan ay yung Chambord. May mga houses of yung mga gumagawa ng liquor, katulad yan, yung Decipher, yung Balls, yung Schnapps houses. These are the oldest, yung mga production company or distillery na they are making the specific. Kasi itong Amaretto, it comes in a square bottle. So again, when we talk about the Amaretto here, it is all generic. Mumurahin lang ito. It doesn't actually, well, it tastes like the real one, but it's not really the real one. Okay, flavor lang talaga binayaran nito. Anyway, is it against the law? Not really, kasi nga it is a trademark. Walsh yan eh. So yan ay ginayin na based on their taste preference. So then we have the cherry brandy. Kadalasan pinapalit nito doon sa Peter hearing. Yeah? Yung Peter hearing is a ginagamit niyan sa Singapore Sling. Yeah? So, gin, Peter hearing, tapos yung nga, yung lemon juice and Sprite. Yeah? Then you have a milk. So, ito. Dalawang milk yan, isang green, isang white or clear. Yeah? Pag sinabing white dito, ito ay clear. Yeah? And then you have the curacao, creamy cocoa. Yeah? Dalawa din ito, isang white at saka isang brown. So, wala lang tayo dito. Wala yun. And of course, we have the melon liquor. Karaniwan dito, sa melon liquor, ang original nito ay Midori. Yeah, yung Midori is actually produced now in Mexico, pero originally siya from Japan. Ang raw material nito ay honeydew melon. Okay, yung melon na kulay green na mamahalin. And then you have the apricot brandy. So, hindi ko na i-explain ito kasi nasa explanatory. And of course, creamy banana. Okay? Again, dalawa din yung ano nito. Yung creamy banana, there is also one that's actually green. Okay? Yung green naman nito, ang tawag ay pisang ambon. So, yan ay originally from Indonesia. Okay? Made out of a banana also. Pero that's actually unique in their place. Anong bote niya? Kudradong bote rin. Ang kanyang material as yung kulay is kulay green. Okay? So, that concludes our orientations of flavor. Ikutin nyo lang siya. Okay? Natin. Then, saka nyo siya ilagay nyo sa sugar. Okay? So, yun po lang. Kaya natin gawin. Sugar nyo. Tapos, tap nyo na konti. Tap. Okay? So, nagyan. Tap lang yan. Tap. Okay? So, this is your sugar, this is your salt, okay? So, now, let's actually cut the fruits, okay? So, cutting ng fruits, dapat matalas yung knife, okay? So, again, gagawin mo natin is wedge, ya? So, wedge muna tayo, okay? Yung tip lang niya ang kakatin nyo. So, yung dulo-dulo lang, ya? Para magkaroon siya ng, okay? So, ikat nyo in half. Okay. Tapos, ikat nyo siya here. So, sa vertical lang. So, ikat nyo siya dyan. Tapos, kung malaki, pwede siyang 4 or pwede siyang 3. So, I will just use it as 3. Divide nyo siya ng 3. Okay. So, yan na yan. Okay. So, ganyan na yan. Beautiful. Yeah? So, we move on to our lemon. Okay? So, sorry, lime. Ganun din. Wedge din siya. Okay? Ganun siya. Okay, matalas ang knife. So, saan siya ginagamit na garnish? Pwede siyang garnish ng palm olives. Pwede siya sa margarita. Okay? Actually, hindi sa margarita. Okay? Ganyan. Okay? So, again, the other things that we need to see is yung yung zest. Okay, zest. So, ito yung ginagamit niya. Zester ang tawag dito. Okay? So, ang paraan ng paghiwa niyan is anuhin mo siya yung paikot. So, yung malaking hole na yan yung iano nyo. Papatamain mo sa balat. Okay? So, huwag mo siyang dahan-dahan lang siya at saka yung papunta dito. Hindi palabas papunta sa iyo. So, unti-unti, okay? So, titignan niyo yung haba niya kung tama lang. Okay? So, ikot niyo siya. Okay? Tapos, kung na-achieve niyo na yung length na gusto niyo, pwede niyo siyang i-cut. Ganyan. So, again, pwede siya ilagay sa baso like this. Ganyan na po. So, meron din tayo sinasabi na twist. Okay? Yung twist naman, okay, balat lang yung kailangan nito. So, huwag yung isasama yung laman. Okay? So, you peel this top. So, this from the top to bottom lang siya. Yeah? So, top. Be careful not to cut the dali. Okay? So, ganyan na siya. Okay? So, again, iba din siya as part of the drinks that you're actually carrying on. Now, we move on to our oranges. Okay, so sa orange naman tayo. So sa orange, we can do half wheel, we can do wheel. Parehas din yan eh. And of course, can actually be used into wheel or half wheel or wedges. Yeah? Depending on the nature ng paano nyo siya i-present or yung ilalagay sa inyong drinks. Yeah? Ano yan eh? On recipe. Now, as you may see, kinat ko siya ng mas makapal. Kasi, pag hindi ko siya kinat ng gusto, ang mangyayari yan, yung kabilang side niya, walang meat, balat lang. Okay, pangit tingnan. Okay? So, pag hiniwa ko siya ganyan, let's say for example, I'm cutting wheel. Okay? Ganyan yan siya. Okay? Going to our last and final demonstration of our class, which is actually the mixology. Okay. First, we are going to have at least the overview of our working area. Okay, so as I explained to you last time, dahil ako ay right-handed, everything is on the right. Okay? Dahil yung left side ko, yan na yung medyo konti namin gagawin. Okay? So, of all the garments that we have made, we created earlier, it will be filled up with all the drinks that we're going to prepare today. So, ano to? Mga alamilit lang to. Ha? So, gagamitin ko lang yung agimat ko ng pag-mixer. Anyway, let us see here about our So ito ay yung ating cobbler. So 3-in-1. Okay, tinuro ko din sa inyo yung yung method dito. And of course we have the Boston shaker and of course this our Hawthorne strainer. Okay. We have 2 jigger. Again, the jigger comes in several configurations. So dapat titingnan niyo kung ilan to. Kung ilang ounces or ilang ml. Yan, katulad nito. Okay? So, maaaring ito, kasi wala nga siya nakasulat, maaaring ito ay 1 ounce, kalahati. So, maaaring ito ay 45 ml, maaaring ito ay 30. So, hindi natin alam kasi nga walang label. Okay? Para yung pagmamahalan niya, walang label. Okay? So, humugot na ako na kami. Anyway, so let's move on to this. Okay? This is what you call the store and pour. Okay? It is color-coded as yung nozzle, yung pang-pour. Pag yellow like this, it is pineapple. Your green is lemon or yung sour mix. Yeah? And your white is for emergency like simple syrup, coconut mix, and so on and so forth. So, katulad din yung brown. Yung brown na nozzle kasi, it can be your tomato juice. So, depende yan sa inyong mga orientations of your operations. Yeah? Again, we have pourer on our bottle. So, tingnan natin muna siya. Pourer siya. Okay? Then we have our several bottles here that we need to do. Yeah? So, again, we have basic setup here. So, from this side, I will just create cocktails that you are going to see today. Yeah? Let us first, okay, first and foremost, let us do the martini. Okay? So, as I am saying earlier, yung dalawang types or yung dalawang process ng paggawa ng martini is yung dry at saka extra dry, okay? And of course, yung dirty. Yung dirty is may juice, ng olives. So, gawin natin yung dry lang muna. Okay? Pag sinabing dry, itong white vermouth na to, patak lang siya. So, patak. Para lang yan siyang kinote nyo to. So, anything that is actually after cooking, pwede nyo siyang itam, pwede itapon. Okay? So, katulad nun. So, this is what you call as dry. So, then of course, I am going to use the ice. Okay? So, ice. Then we have the gin. Okay? Gin. Okay? So, gandahan natin. This particular bottle has yung pourer o yung stopper. So, hindi niyo siya malalagyan ng inyong pourer na katulad nito. Okay? So, then I will actually shake it just a little bit. So, again, hindi siya absolute ha. Pag sinabing I want my martini shaken, then you have to shake. Pag sinabing martini stirred, stirred lang talaga. So this time I will do shaken. Ha? So konti lang. So ganun din. Tampo siya. So katulad yan, magka-perpendicular siya din ganyan. So dito siya papatitikin. So again, we're going to pour them in a martini glass. Okay? So pag nag-pour kayo, using this, okay? So ganyan. Sir, bakit po onion ang inyong nilagay? Okay? Kasi yan, magiging Gibson. Oh, parehas na lang kanyang mixture. Yeah? Gin and a martini also like that. Yeah? So, pagkaiba lang ang ganyan. Okay? Ito naman, ito yung martini talaga. Okay? Okay. So, kasya-kasya lang siya. Yeah? You may have noticed na mayroon siya mga plates on the top. Okay lang yan. Talagang ganun lang ating mixture. So now let's move on to our Bloody Mary. Yeah? Or use something like, let's do a build. Build. Ito nga gawin natin. Let's do Tom Collins. Yeah? So again, halimbawa, ito muna tayo. Mag-Bloody Mary muna tayo. Okay, so, para makita natin yun. Let's use tomato juice. Tomato juice. Hindi ko pala nakalo. Kakalugin nyo kasi ano to. Pag hindi nyo pinalo, yung ibabaw niya puro tubig lang. Okay. So, mawawala siya ng tubig. Puro. Kakalagay mag-igisa niya pa tayo. So, let's actually use this. So, 1, 2, when you have that, then you have liyap earrings. Okay? Liyap earrings, touch lang to. Dalawa lang. Ganun din, kalagay nyo rin siya. Kasi nasa ilalim yung flavor niya. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then, lagyan nyo yung tabasco. Okay? Masarap to. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng salt and pepper. Yeah. Salt and pepper. Cook 3% kalahati. Yeah. So, kung ano yung kalat nila, kalahati na. Yeah. Kung gusto nyo mas masarap, pwede nyo gawin yung grand marnier. Yeah. Kasi mas masarap. So, this one, okay lang naman yan. Sarap yun. So, we'll have the lemon juice. Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Beautiful. So, kalagin din natin. Okay? As I am saying, huwag nilalagay ito dito. So, ilagay nyo na siya ganyan sa kanyang tao. Okay. Pwede na. Kasi nag-close na siya. So, ito muna natangin yung para taas. Tapos, sa kanya siya ilagay. And of course, kaya sinobra ko yan, para matikman ang ating camera. So, again, normally I do not do this. Kaya lang, siyempre, we are very much into this demo and at the same time yung ating mga flavor profiles. So, we have 4 drinks already. So, pwede na tayo kumuha ng dalawa. Ang isa na lang ito pala. So, pwede rin natin itong gawin itong collins. Gawin ko na nga. So, build lang ito. Build. Yeah. So, para ano, build nyo yelo. Hanggalin nyo muna yung garbage. Ito yung collins ninyo. Ang collins, din lang siya. Okay? So, lagay nyo na lang isang tangin din. Okay? Then, lemon juice. Yeah. Lemon juice. Sprite, or soda. Soda water. Soda water. Okay. So now we have 5 drinks. Beautiful. Yeah? So let's do the lemon drop. Yan, lemon drop naman tayo. So lemon drop, vodka, okay? Para sumarap, lagyan natin ng granite. 1 and 2 granite. Bakit mo pala ito? Ayaw mo pas dyan. Okay. So, that is the maple set, supposed to be, but I will use the granite. Then we have ice. Ice. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng cranberry juice. This one. Okay. So, cranberry, pula siya. Okay. Pupuin ko na. Okay. So, kalahati lang. Okay. Tapos, let's do the lemon. Lemon. No, section. Cosmopolitan. Tuloy ako sa inyo Cosmopolitan. Okay. Boom. And, pour natin siya dito. Cosmopolitan. And of course, pag like a bartender. So, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng konti. Hindi nito tatouch yung spoon. So, pwede siya ilagay dito. Okay. But of course, yes, you need to wash your hands afterwards. Kasi it is used for your preparation. So, pagka tikim nyo dyan, tugas naman. Yeah? So, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung ating hygiene. Yeah? So, lagay ko ulit sa para sa ating malulupit na kasama dito. Actually, masarap siya. Masarap siya. Para lang si Sir Jao, pag tumim ka talaga si Sir Jao, malupit. Yeah? Next, we do the cable card. Okay? Yeah? Para natin yan. Ginamit na. Acting Morgan. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag nyo ako bibigyan ng bar kasi makakil ako Ito, masarap dito. So, ang lagay naman ng cable card, siya, pineapple juice, na lemon juice lang. Okay? Kasi pagsasamahin mo lang yung kanyang mixture. Yeah? Actually, ang tawag nito, tropical cable card. Yeah? So, para siyang nandun sa San Francisco. Yeah? Ito isa, kalahati, tapos isa ito. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, then we can actually shake them off. Yeah? So we have glasses here. So ang garnish na ay dahon, yung glass dito. Okay. Mag-blend na tayo ngayon. Okay, so let's do a blend. Dalawang blend natin ito. Okay. So let's do piña colada. Okay. So the all-time favorite piña colada. Okay, one. Yeah. So gagawin natin, we are going to measure rum. Okay. So normally, talagang rum lang siya. Rum. Okay. So one shot. Then you have coconut mix. Yeah? So yung coconut mix, nilagyan ko na ito ng pineapple juice at saka ng sugar. So ang itsura niya parang ito. Yeah? So I will use 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 3 lang siya. Then, you can actually put it in. So, pag mag-blend kayo, magsimula kayo sa high speed. Yeah? Sir, bakit po high speed? Kasi pag nagsimula kayo sa low speed, mag-water yan. So, pag high speed kayo, diretso high speed, then low speed. Para man So, yan yung mga technique ng mga bukake. Yeah? So, high speed. So when you stop, then there is no more yung malalaki. Okay. Remember I told you about the vortex? Yeah? Yung pinaka-ipo-ipo. Okay? Pag liit ng ipo-ipo dito sa gitna, pag thick ng drinks niyan. Pag lumaki yan, magiging watery. So approximately, it is 1 peso. Dapat yung vortex. Ha? Kasi pag lumaki yan sa 1 peso, pangit na tingnan siya. Okay, so, lagay mo naman ito ha. Okay, so, we'll actually use this. Yeah? Now, fantastic. So, tama na siya. Hindi siya watery, hindi siya importante kasi natin dito ay measurement. Yeah? So, talaga ano lang siya. Yellow lang nagtatalo niya. Okay? Konti-konti na lang solve na nito. So, kung bipipit ko yan, so ito muna. Yeah? Dalawa. Okay? Then, release. Yeah? Release. Pwede nyo siyang gamitan ng spoon. Okay? Pwede ganito ang paggamit ng spoon, ha? Ganyan. Okay? So, let's use this. So, ang mangyayari yan is you will just have it as flow. Okay. Actually, nabubuot ko naman. Pangit yung cooler, so gagamitin ko na lang yung aking pulso. Yeah. So, medyo mahirap-hirap to, pero I'll try. Yeah. Kasi nga, sabi nyo, bukami si Sir. Yeah. So, use the spoon as yung baliktad. Okay? So, okay. Now, the next one will be your Grand Marnier. Ha? So, yung Grand Marnier naman, dapat umibabaw siya. Okay? So, that being said, dalawang bagay yan eh. Pwede nyo siyang gawin as naka-tilt. Okay? Pero pwede rin nyo siyang gawin as with ito, spoon. Yeah? So, yung spoon ko kasi nasa bahay na. Iwi ko na. So, let's actually use this. So, medyo mabilis yung ano niya na pero at least may layer siya. Okay? Nag-bleed yung nag-bleed na yung kanyang grains. Yeah? Meron din naman na clear. Okay? Yeah? Slightly balat lang ang hindi may kakakat dito. Yung laman, yun ang isa inyo. Kasi yun yung may juice eh. Yeah? So, one, kung ilang piraso yan, kasi habang nagmamagal kasi kayo, lumiliyad yan eh. Nagpapalit ng what you call as position sa baso. Kasi madulas yung baso. Now, ang gagawin nyo, kung ano yung hindi nyo nakakatas, yun lang ang pipilitin nyo. Isang katas na lang per size of your fruit. Para hindi nagkakaroon ng bitter waves. Alam niyo kasi yung balat niyan, nag-ano siya, nag-gives off siya ng parang oil. Kaya, mapait. Yeah? Para lang hindi mo kayo ng jowa yung mapait. Yeah? Parang gano'n. Now, we're going to use so, blue Hawaii gagawin natin ha. So, blue curacao. Yeah? Yan ha. Actually, gamit ko eh. Pero gagawin ko lang po. Para mas masarap dito. Then we have a pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. 1, 2, 3. Ang tawag dyan ay 3/4. Yeah? 3/4 as per shots or per ounces. Yeah? Depende yan doon sa inyong nakasanayan. Okay? Now, I will demonstrate that later on. Yeah? Pero pag sinabi natin 3/4, wala itong kasiguruhan. Yeah? So, hindi siya precise. Hindi katulad yan ng ano? Hindi katulad yan ng inyong pineasure. It is exactly. Yeah? So again, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng yellow. Pwede niyo mag-double strain, kaya lang wala tayong strainer dito ng ano. So nasa bahay kasi yung mga gamit ko na. Can actually use that. Okay. So that is our blue Hawaii. Okay. So ilang drinks na yan? Dami na.
Dami.
Okay, that concludes our mixology. O, di ba? They build, they blend, they layer, may frosting, ha? So, ang wala lang natin siguro is planing. Yeah? So, but yes, we can do that at the time. Yeah? Brands.
Ay, bawal lang ako uminom ng ala.
Pwede lang, video pala sa...
Dahil kasama